Greetings, everyone. I'm Ryan Chan, CEO and founder of UpKeep. Today, we're going to delve into the intriguing world of maintenance performance measurement. We'll explore how different data collection methods can offer us insights into our maintenance processes and the importance of choosing the right data. Stay tuned to learn how you can leverage software like computerized maintenance management systems, enterprise asset management, and condition monitoring equipment to your advantage. Let's get started. Let's dive into the world of maintenance performance measurement. The way you measure can take various forms, each of which can give you insight into your maintenance management processes. But remember, collecting the right data is key to getting an accurate measure of your performance, and presenting it visually can often be the best way to analyze it. Maintenance teams have a variety of ways to collect performance data. Some of the most common include a computerized maintenance management system or enterprise asset management software and condition monitoring equipment. A computerized maintenance management system is a popular way to collect data about the performance of your maintenance team and the assets you maintain. It focuses on the creation and completion of work orders, gathering information on types of work orders assigned, their completion, employee wrench time, assets worked on, and associated costs. When this data is compiled in a report, it allows you to see trends in your maintenance performance. Enterprise asset management software tracks data throughout every stage of an asset's life cycle. You might pay special attention to data like equipment downtime and asset depreciation. This software can even be connected to financial software to inform purchasing decisions based on an asset's reliability. Predictive maintenance makes use of condition monitoring sensors. They collect different types of data such as vibration, sonic and ultrasonic acoustics, and infrared readings to diagnose issues with individual assets. An abnormality in the data signals a problem, prompting an inspection work order. This data can help track the functionality of individual assets, informing work orders, reliability analysis, and maintenance planning. Once data is collected and stored, it can be compiled into reports of various styles using maintenance software. Many computerized maintenance management system programs allow you to compile data from work orders into reports that allow you to measure various key performance indicators. The data you choose to represent in your software will affect the kinds of conclusions you'll be able to draw. For example, a report including condition monitoring data would inform decisions about asset purchases, whereas wrench time data could help when fine-tuning maintenance management practices. These programs also frequently include ways to visualize data as graphs. For instance, our own maintenance reporting software allows you to see data from work orders in a visual format, giving you a great deal of insight into your processes. Plus, it's simple to export data to your own custom dashboards and create detailed reports to track specific metrics. Computerized maintenance management system programs often come with application programming interfaces, or APIs, that allow you to pull data from the program for use in other types of software. For instance, the ability to connect your computerized maintenance management system software to financial applications like QuickBooks would rely on an API. Business reporting tools can be used concurrently with computerized maintenance management system programs to inform maintenance planning and foster collaboration with other departments. This software comes in many forms, and there are many free options out there like Jasper Report, BERT, Pentaho, Report Server, Spagobi, and Seal Report. Many companies prefer the power granted by paid APIs. For instance, some of our customers use Sisense, which is a tool that affords users the ability to quickly blend and analyze data, including information pulled from computerized maintenance management system software. We've also developed our own API for use with our maintenance management software. With this API, you can pull and aggregate data on various metrics, such as open work orders and average completion times. The advantage of using an API is the ability to pull data into a program that specializes in generating reports. These programs include wide ranges of functionality, including the ability to compile data into numerous visual formats. The end result is the power to create your own fully customized reports, charts, and graphs based on pertinent data. From initial data collection to creating visual reports, the ultimate goal of this process is to understand and improve your maintenance performance. By using reporting software or APIs to interpret computerized maintenance management system data, your team can get a clear picture of what your performance looks like, where it's lacking, and what you can do to make your maintenance processes more effective. Thank you for watching this video on maintenance performance measurement. We have covered the importance of data collection, the use of computerized maintenance management system, enterprise asset management software, and condition monitoring equipment, as well as the power of APIs in creating custom reports. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to our channel for more insightful content. To learn more about our solutions, visit us at upkeep.com. Remember, the right tools and resources can make your maintenance and reliability teams more successful. See you in the next video.